Today I'm going to be doing a really awesome unboxing. It's going to be the Batman 3 Beyond Gotham PS3 bundle. I've been waiting to unbox this and today's the day. Oh man, right here you can see right there it is a 500 gigabyte model. This one is the sliding, it's the sliding PS3. Oh man, I just ripped this. Let's see what's in the box. It's that awesome Ps3 controller. Oh, it feels so good in the hand. Damn, brings back memories. You got the cables for the audio and video and the power cable. No adapters here. Xbox should have done this a long time ago. In this bundle, you get the promo. Use the promo code below to access downloadable content of the game. That's the code right there. If you guys have this, here is the code. There's the game itself. It is an actual CD form. Here's the quick start guide. It's time to unwrap this and take the PS3 out. It feels heavy, but not too heavy. I can just lift it with one hand. Ooh, yeah. I mean, looking at it, it looks good. It doesn't look as good as the original one. It definitely looks much cheaper due to the front cover right here. I'm also thinking, because this is plastic and the disc reader is not inside the PS3 anymore, I'm most likely going to hear the disc spinning around inside the PS3. Here's a comparison of the first ever PS3 on the bottom versus the super slim PS3 on the top. You can see it is 1/4 of the size of the original PS3. The other PS3 is so big it doesn't even fit in the frame. I am about to do the first ever boot of the PS3. Okay, I connected the HDMI, everything's good. Oh, is it coming? Oh yeah. Let's get it. Oh. Alright. It says to connect the controller. I almost forgot. The power button is located on the right side, right over there, of the PS3. And now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the controller. Come on. Yeah, right there. I got it just on time. Wow. What an amazing day it is to be scrolling through the PS3's UI. This is the game I'm going to be playing. I got the PS3 set up. I got the Spider-Man game inside of the PS3, and I'm inside this epic battle right now. Join me.
I didn't need a reason other than to make it easier to kill you. O'Hara, it looks like you called me.